Good afternoon everyone. Today we're looking at another Ingersoll watch. We're actually going to be looking at the stainless steel variant of the Ingersoll, the Jazz today. I've done the leather strap version, so we can have a look at the stainless steel version, basically to see if there's any differences really. Yeah, so let's get around to it, shall we? So usually I've ordered this from Amazon. They usually come in this cellophane outside packaging and a simple thin box. Let's take this out here. Very slim, elegant style box, just with that Ingersoll print in the lid there. It's a simple slide out box, revealing like a leather pouch inside. Depending on the model you go for, you still get this leather style material to the box, but it sometimes comes in more of a box shape than a pouch. Here we go guys, so this is the box. It's just a very simple, elegant button down style pouch. Very, very smooth, very, very light. Okay, maybe it's not the stainless steel version. Ordered a stainless steel version, but no matter. Here we go guys, this is the Ingersoll, the Jazz, the Rose Gold edition. I've obviously ordered the gold one and then gone for the rose gold one this time. So it's got 42mm case diameter with a 16mm case thickness, so it is quite a bit of a thick watch relative to others. Retails around about £200, weighs 93 grams and has an automatic movement. I think it's 21 jewel, but we can check on the back at some point. Just to check the calibre. I couldn't find the specification for the movement in the specs, but we can check on the back in a little while. So I'm just going to remove this cover. Since it's a leather strap, I'll just hold it with this. So looking at the dial, we've got a sort of a full skeleton view of the movement in the back and the dual time in these little sub dials on the side here, and a day and night sort of dial with tracker, where you like, some people call it a moon phase, but it's not actually a moon, the traditional moon phase, because yes, it's obviously got the moon in there, but it doesn't do the moon calendar days. It's just a day and night tracker. So all the sort of the detailing is rose gold with a rose gold casing. The casing's 316 stainless steel, and then you've got the obviously the plating on top. Scratch resistant mineral glass going all the way across the top. 5 atmospheric waterproofness and lifetime warranty. I believe it's on certain components of the watch. I think it's the casing and stuff like that. So let's have a look at the hands and the movement. There's a lot of sort of feedback. It's got a decent amount of feedback when you turn the crown. You've got a decent amount of audio feedback as well. Some people prefer more of a subtle approach, but this one it's a little bit louder, and you can even see the winder just in that corner on the right there, next to the day-night tracker. So let's move out to the next position. And to obviously change that dual time, you just rotate it the opposite way. And then you rotate it clockwise to do the main face, the main hands here, and then anti-clockwise just to do the dual time. As you can see, that day and night tracker is moving around. So if you're ever in doubt to know whether you're setting it for daytime or not, you just look for that sort of, you look for the 12 and you look for when the sun's up or when the moon's up, and it will tell you whether it's 12 o'clock during the day or 12 o'clock at night. No date dial for this, you haven't got to worry too much with that. Got a nice firm click down. There's no sort of screw down motion for this crown. Let's come around the casing. A better look at the side here. So you've got a mixture of polished finish and brushed finish on the actual centre. Well, you've got a brush finish on the centrepiece of the casing, just underneath the crown. The crown's also polished finish. We've also got the separate legs that holds this. I think it's a 20mm strap. I'm going to check. What this is. It's got a 20mm strap, genuine leather strap with nice black line stitching all the way down here. A simple, it's just a simple thick leather strap with single window system, no sort of metallic components in here just to prevent stretch, but that can be a good thing because it stops, well, it can be a good thing because it lets you wear it in a tailored fit, so these will stretch over time, so it'll mold better to the wrist. So come around to the back, obviously got a beige finish to the back of the leather strap. There's no quick release option to this, so you might need a little tool just to remove those straps. Simple, cheap holder for the strap to go on. The other one's fixed in place. The buckle is a rose gold finish with decent hinge on it. It's got quite a bit of resistance moving that, and a nice thick centerpiece to it as well. So looking at the movement at the back here. Oh, okay, so it's a 22 dual automatic movement. I think there's some debate saying they use Chinese movements, but I'm not entirely sure. I haven't got enough evidence to say that it is. So there you go, that's the back plate, a screw down back plate. So there we go, guys. That is the Ingersoll, the Jazz, the Rose Gold Edition.